walking through the 40 acres of wooded land behind our home. Fall. You can see all the leaves. A lot of them have started to fall, not all of them. Still lots of leaves on the trees. The creek is definitely dry. As you can see, we do have a fairly extensive wooded area behind our property. We have deer, all kinds of wildlife out in this area. Now, there are some holes here. I don't know what this is from. Animal holes of some kind. Indentation there. Here's a hollowed out tree. It's probably a raccoon, possum, or badger living up in there. And this is the remains of a Civil War, not a foxhole. They weren't called foxholes in that era. It was a trench dug for Confederate soldiers, by the Confederate soldiers. Now, there's a little bit of water flowing in the Davis Mine Creek. Not very much though. Big mushroom of some kind. Give you an idea how big it is. Here's my shoe. It's good size. More animal burrows. This is the same tree. I've moved around to the other side. There is definitely some animal inside there. If you look, it's freshly kicked up dirt. Something that's been moving into and out of this tree trunk. And there is a yellow jacket nest. Time to get some gasoline. And yet another potential animal burrow. Looks like a great place for raccoons, possums to live. Another good sized mushroom. I wonder what this is, edible or not. And there's a little spider who lived down in that hole. Spun this web here. Waiting for a tasty insect to come into its web. There's what's left of a tree. It's dead. Lots of fungi growing on it. It's going. Almost. It's broken right there. I'm gonna do it with my other hand. Timber. Ooh. Success.